very exciting video. It is my first official kind of like a fitness vlog. Basically, I'm trying to get healthy. I was gonna say for summer, but honestly I don't think it matters. Like, I'm trying to just get healthy in general, so I wanted to film it, and I think it would be very exciting for me to look back and for anyone else who are interested to watch me do this. I want to talk to you about the things I will be taking every single morning, the vitamins I will be taking. To make a video a little shorter, I might not show like my vitamin taking every single day, but I do want to show you what I am, kind of my morning routine in general. So the first thing I do when I wake up is I have a glass of water. It is so important for me. It heightens your metabolism, I think by like 30%. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's very healthy for you. And I drink around 3 liters of water a day in general, like towards out the whole day, less at night, just because I know you can get like a little bloated. So I usually just have like 3 liters of water throughout the whole day. So after I have my glass of water, I then like to take my emergency packet. It is so good for you. It has basically a bunch of vitamins in it, and it's more focused on like vitamin C. It has 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C and a bunch of other really good vitamins. I'm also taking this because, first of all, it's delicious. It's like a fizzy drink and they have different flavors. However, different flavors do have different ingredients. This one, for example, has way more vitamins than like the orange flavor does. So just always, if you're interested in getting one, just look more into the flavors and like the ingredients. And yeah, so this is really good for your immune system. Honestly, if it wasn't for this, I don't even know if I would be alive right now. I've been taking this for 2 years, and obviously this is, none of this, by the way, is sponsored. So this is all just my opinion. And yeah, I've been taking this for 2 years, like on and off, and it's been really great, especially during like the flu season, and especially now that it's COVID-19 and everyone is sitting at home. It's really, really important to keep up your immune system, and so that is why I'm kind of taking like so many vitamins and trying to get really healthy, because although, you know, the gyms are closed and it's really hard right now to just be healthy all the time, because like you can't, you know, do the things you usually would, I'm still striving for my summer body, and I know it's gonna be there. I'm just manifesting at this point. But I'm also doing a bunch of stuff to obviously help me get that, and I wanted to just film it, you know. And with this fizzy drink, I then like to take my vitamin D3, which I just take 1 capsule. It says it helps in the development of bones and teeth. It's also really good for your immune system overall. And then I take this thing called echinacea. I take 2 tablets of this, and this is really good for preventing, like for helping your immune system, and also from preventing from like getting viruses and from getting sick. It's specifically so you do not get like a virus, which is again so important right now. And yeah, so I take this every day. And then also I take a teaspoon of this omega-3. I love my omega-3. I've been taking omega-3 for like 3 months now, and honestly I see such an improvement in everything. I don't know, like I just feel so much better, and the only difference that like I've been doing is literally taking this and the echinacea. So, and then recently I started taking this vitamin and this. After I finish like my fizzy drink, my emergency, I then get a teaspoon of my organic matcha, and I mix it with my almond milk, and I just have that in the morning. I do like half a glass of almond milk, and then I do like a little less than the whole teaspoon, just because it's like too much caffeine at that point. And I honestly love matcha. It gives me really good clean high. I don't know if it's not like a high, but you know, it gives me really good clean energy. I don't crash like I usually did with coffee. It really helps me to start my day every single morning. Afterwards, I actually gave into the freaking stupid trend of flat tummy tea. Now, again, this is not sponsored, And I have been taking before another brand called Morning Runner, which has been very helpful. I took it last year when I had really big like digestive problems. I was really bloated all the time, and after kind of doing like a 2-week cleanse, I felt so much better. It also has a lot more ingredients, and I personally like it way better than this. But yeah, I don't actually know if this really helped. I've been taking so many other vitamins that maybe it is working, but I just can't tell. This is my morning routine. And also I will be doing a 10K walk every single day to like get my immune system, and so I don't keep like, you know, having this like filtered air all the time. So I like to go outside, and yeah, obviously practicing social distancing and like not like talking to anyone or anything. I usually go by myself or with my mom. I also do other workouts, which I'll also be filming, and I think that'll be really exciting. I'm going to be changing it up. I'm going to try to do like almost a different workout every single day, because I think it's a lot of fun to change that way, and your body also doesn't get used to like doing just one workout. So thanks for watching, and continue on with this video. Okay, so for lunch, I'm gonna have kind of like chicken tacos slash fajitas, and yeah, so I'm gonna have just one, and right here is pesto and just, what is it, sun-dried tomato pesto too. Then I have a little bit of mushrooms, homemade guac, some of the taco sauce, sour cream, salsa, and some cheese, and some chicken, organic chicken that I grilled myself. Everything is so delicious. I have this sometimes, and honestly, it's like the best meal. It has like a lot of like protein and stuff like that, and like healthy fats. Yes, I know that the taco sauce is like quite high in like sodium and stuff, but I honestly, like, I don't put a lot, and I do not want to kind of restrict myself from everything, so I just add a little bit of everything, so that way I don't have to restrict myself. Yeah. After lunch, I went outside, and I usually go every single day, and I do about 10,000 steps. That's my cardio usually for the whole day. And in my next video, I will explain more in depth why I choose to walk instead of do more fast-paced cardio like running. Alright, so here I am doing a Chloe Ting slim thighs and legs workout, and it is supposed to burn inner and outer thigh fat without any jumping involved. Honestly, it was a lot of fun and it was quite easy. Recording myself working out has made me realize that my form is pretty bad, and I honestly didn't think that I had a bad form, but after watching myself work out, wow, such like a difference in the perspective. So I definitely suggest everyone to film themselves working out, and also kind of forces me to want to do well and not stop, because because I know that people are watching me. Here I am tap dancing. Yes, love me some tap dancing. Chloe does such a good job. I love all of her workouts, and this is honestly a really kind of simple one for your thighs. I'm trying to get my thighs to be a little slimmer. That was not that hard, but I'm literally sweating so much, and we still have another workout to do, more for the abs and the butt. So we'll do that one now. Okay, so for this workout is more ab focused, and I will be doing the 10-minute six-pack workout by Pamela Reif. It's honestly a really good workout, but it is really, really hard, and I'll explain later on why. My body was burning, let me tell you. It was definitely not easy, but I will recommend this workout for like everyone. All I'm gonna say is that this workout has made me sweat and red in the face. Like, this is so cute right now, so attractive. I was dying by this point, and obviously I'm not like showing you the entire workout, but it was definitely very fast-paced and no breaks at all. I just gave up here, honestly. Like she was like doing things, and I just could not keep up at that point. It was so hard. This was also my first day of actually working out after like not working out for 3 weeks, and it was really hard. My ankles were dying right here, by the way. Doing this workout made me realize how bad my form actually is. If you can tell, when I'm doing the plank, oh my gosh, my butt was so high up in the air. And just filming yourself really helps for you to see, so that you can improve your form. I can't believe that I just honestly did that. That was really freaking hard. And I think it was so hard because she like didn't give a break, and also because a lot of her like workouts were more for like lower abs. I found, like, especially in the beginning, it was really hard. Like when we got to planks, I was so happy, and that's when, you know, it's hard. Well, now I still have to do like bridges for the glutes, and that's it. Just show you guys really quickly how I do that, and then I'll be done. that's all there is for today. Thanks for watching, and I mean, there's a whole other day. I don't know why I said that. Like, this is gonna be a long video. It's like a week long. This is just the first day, and it's rough. I'm tired. Okay, see ya.